Hi, today I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous heat-friendly synthetic wig from TressAllure. This wig is called Undercut Bob and the color is 1723 R8. So let's look at the color up close. As you can see, it's very dimensional. It's got some warm tones in it, some blonde highlights. The rooting is done really nice. Very pretty. Also, let's take a look at the hairline. It is really well done. Let me show you the wig from all the angles so you can get a better look. The style is an A-line cut. It's very classy and timeless. You can dress it up or down. It can look good with any outfit, honestly. This is a heat-friendly synthetic fiber, so it comes out looking really nice, like real hair. There's no excessive shine to this wig, and it moves just like your hair. Let's take a look inside the cap, and I'll show you all the features that this wig comes with. You've got your lace front and a mono top. That means you can part your wig anywhere within this space, and it is an open wefted cap, really stretchy. The size of this wig is average, and if you need to cinch it in and make it smaller, there is Velcro adjusters here. I'm really impressed with this wig. Go ahead and check out TressAllure. They got plenty of different styles, colors, whatever your preferences are. The quality of the wig is amazing and I highly recommend it.